How to use detailed weekly preferences to add or delete to your My Menu. From the My Menu page, click on the Detailed Weekly Preferences button. This feature allows you to view and edit your Plan My Menu for the full week. You have the option to enter your preferences by the meal or multiple days. For example, if you eat oatmeal for breakfast Monday through Friday, it can easily be added to the grid. You can also quickly delete undesired foods or recipes. Your Plan My Menu is displayed in the grid. Notice you are currently in My Menu Week Grid Preview mode. Type your preferred food or recipe in the search box. The database will then populate. You can check the Recipes or Food box to narrow the search. Next, scroll through the database and click on your selection. Gray boxes will appear on the calendar and you're now in My Menu Week Grid Edit mode. Select the day of the week and mealtime in the calendar grid that works well for your schedule by clicking on the gray box to add the food or recipe. You will see the selected food or recipe was added to your weekly plan. Click Cancel to delete or Save to finalize your selection. You will now see you are back in preview mode. To delete a food or recipe from your Plan My Menu, hover over the title and a blue trash can will appear. Click on the blue trash can. It will turn red. You are now in delete mode. Click on the delete button to remove it from your My Menu or the cancel button to undo the planned edit. Use the icon at the top of the page to return to your My Menu. You will see all the foods or recipes have been added or deleted.